Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And today we are talking about my DaVincified AI cat. And it's coming along. I had a lot of trouble with these eyes. It looks better than it is. Anyway, I did my best with the eyes. We'll see how it looks when it's completely done. Some of these areas are just, let me see if I can, let me bring the camera down. I think I've shown you guys this before, but you can see how tiny these areas are. I mean, they're just so little and tiny areas. And there's like a wrinkle in, I don't know if I can find the wrinkle, where the numbers are a little bit blurry. Let me get my reading glasses on here. See if I can find one of the wrinkles. Oh, here's one. See right here where the number, now this one's easy to see, it's 44. So there's like a wrinkle that comes down through here. And there's a couple of them. Oh, here's one. See where the numbers are kind of blurred. I think you guys are seeing that on the camera. So I'm kind of having to kind of guess. And the wrinkle goes all the way across the paint by number. So not only are the numbers really small, they're kind of I don't know, kind of blurry. So they're small and blurry. So it makes them really hard to see. But I'm doing my best. The other day, which was kind of funny, there's 48 colors, and I was looking for 49. Because I thought that's what the number said. And I was like, there's only 48 colors, so there isn't a 49. So I figured it was either 47 or something, but it definitely wasn't 49 because I don't have 49 colors. Yeah, so I was kind of laughing at myself. I'm like, okay. Anyway, so yeah, I did do a little bit of blending in this area right here. And I'm having, see how jaggedy this area looks, but I can't, because it's so defined area, I can't do blending, but you can see where, I don't know. See, I can hardly even tell what some of these numbers are in here. Because they're so little and so like on top of each other. But I'm doing my best. I think once it's done, and like his eyes were really hard to do. When I stand back, his eyes look okay, and his eyes look okay on camera for the most part. Not saying that I only care about what it looks like on camera, but I figured I've looked at this thing up close for such a long time that hopefully when he's done and I frame it and I look at it from a distance, that, or if I ask somebody, does his eyes look right, they're going to say, yeah. Or hopefully they'll be nice to me and say, yeah, his eyes look fine. That sort of thing. Yeah, I hope so. I know the eyes are the hardest things to do, and I knew going in there that the eyes were going to be the hardest part. The one eye was fine, but then this one here was hard to do, and it was really hard to see what the numbers were because they were so tiny, and that was with me with glasses and a phone trying to enlarge to see exactly what the numbers were. But keep in mind, this is AI. Like, I mean, this was me going in and putting in words that I wanted a fly fishing yellow cat. So this was all computer generated, which I imagine a lot of paint by numbers these days are computer generated. And I tell you what, Timu right now, I was looking last night, they've got some of the most gorgeous, and I'm sure they're I know they're most like computer generated paint by numbers are absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I was awfully tempted to want to order some more just to see. And they were in I was looking at anywhere from $12 to $20 range because I was curious to see what, and I'm curious to see what condition they come in. If you buy some that are more than between that $12 and $20 range from Timu to see, what all do you get? Is it rolled up, good paintbrushes, something to put your paints in, that sort of thing. But yeah, the prints were absolutely gorgeous. So yeah. So that's my DaVincified cat. I think he's going to look adorable when he's done. But yeah. So there's that. All right. Okay, so I will take pictures of what he's looking like so far. Let me run some footage of me painting on him and Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching me paint, work on him. Yeah, he's going to take me a long time to do. There's no way of getting through him quickly. I mean, even working on the section here where I was painting this area here, it took me a while to do that too. And I know that sounds crazy. You would think that just doing that one big section, but I am having to put the water and Floetrol into the paints just because they're getting aged, because they've been open and shut and that sort of thing, and for it to just lay down smooth, because I wanted it to be smooth. I wanted to do a little bit of blending, especially in this little area right here. And I can see a little bit of the number shining through, so it just needs a little more blending right there. You can see the speck of the number. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I can. So yeah, I would want to do some blending on the water, especially around the water in the sky, just to make the cat stand out more. So yeah. And if I don't know if I filmed. I think I filmed that. I'm not sure. If I did, I'll show that to you. Okay. I'll make sure I show that to you. All right. Okay, so I'm going to get off here and spend some time with the family. And what do I always tell you guys? Go out there. Be absolutely awesome. Do your thing. And I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.